My life is in a mess right now. Everything that I've worked for. Maybe it was just the cause of this. Now she's making everything look like I'm a bad person, reporting me to my parents. What do I do? If she had given me a child, would all these things be happening? Would I choose to be promiscuous? This is not what I want for myself.
Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know, yeah. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody.
Let me look at this one you're talking about. It was the brown one you sent before. Send it now. Let me
Mabel!
I thought you'd be in the office.
Oh God, the pretense!
What is it?
Swear that you don't know the reason my parents called me.
I don't understand, babe.
Mabel, do you have to sell your husband out just like that? No, what do you stand to gain? What for? Is it jealousy or what?
Jealous. Jealous of what exactly? You wanted a baby so desperately that you never cared about how it made me feel or how I felt. And I still let you have your way. What is it?
So now that the news of your husband is all over on social media for infidelity, you're happy now? No, you are happy. I'm asking you. It was all your fault. You couldn't give me, even if it's one child. If you had given me a child, will I be outside looking for how to get a child?
Johnson, just hear yourself. How is this my fault? I told you to go out there and get someone pregnant, have a baby. Not jump from one woman to the other, not to become promiscuous. You brought this upon yourself, so do not blame me for it.
I feel so ashamed of myself.
Yes, you should. You messed up. You messed up everything. You became so promiscuous. You kept jumping from one woman to another. Weren't you thinking about social media at that time?
Oh, it was entirely your fault.
Oh, my fault. Johnson, it's such a shame that you allowed my inability to give you a child turn you into this man that I do not know. You became something else. This is entirely your fault, not mine, okay? You messed up big time.
I don't want your sympathy.
Look, no matter how you look at it, this is your fault. You have messed up your father's name. Senator Badmore's political ambition is about to be ruined if not ruined.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know.
Hello, handsome. Why are you looking all gloomy today? Hope you don't have any confrontation with your wife.
Let go of me.
What is it? Look, all I'm trying to do is just to ease you up. You know.
Look, I'm not in the mood for this right now.
What is it? What's wrong with you?
My life is in a mess.
I hope I'm not the one messing up your life because I can only give you joy.
Look, we are in a compromising position right now. Someone might just barging on us.
Are you expecting a visitor?
This is an office open for business, right?
Oh, I should have known.
Yeah.
Maybe one of your bedmates are coming over.
I have told you a million times to concentrate on us, right?
I wish I can just get pregnant and just stop all this madness. I mean, why would one man be having an affair with a lot of girls? And now the news has his infidelity all over social media, and he still will not stop. And where do you think you're going to? Are you so daft? Nancy or whatever stupid name you have. Do you realize that this is an office and not your hotel suite? Do you know that?
I can see you are raving madness. But don't worry, I will help you lose your job. No, just relax, okay?
Fool. You ugly stinking maggots. All you guys do is run around a married man. You know they tire. Eh?
You know, I have seen cheap holes like you. And there is only one explanation as to how silly you are behaving right now. And that means you've started sleeping with him, right?
What exactly is wrong with these two? Fighting over a married man? What the hell has come over them? How? Dragging what is not yours. Just stop and continue with your life. Don't you fight over it?
Just like every other girl, you want to give him a child. But I'm sorry to bust your bubbles, my darling. I am 2 months pregnant for him.
Nancy pregnant? Yeah.
Oh yes, so please get your ass off my way.
No, you go nowhere, you silly ass.
Get yourself out of this.
I said you down! I'm going if you allow me leave my hand. Johnson! Leave me, please.
Just forget about her.
Really?
Yeah.
Why shouldn't I? After all she did and said to me?
You know, she's my wife's younger sister. Okay, she's doing what she's supposed to do. Don't take that to heart, okay? She shouldn't give you a headache for nothing.
I don't get it. You mean that Barry witch of yours you call a wife sent her younger sister to monitor your movement in your office?
Yeah, that's basically what I've been seeing these days, you know. She's been on my case. She's been monitoring my movements from the phone calls to who I'm talking to where I'm going. So annoying. You know, ever since the social media stuff popped up, she's been monitoring my case. So annoying. So that's by the way. So baby,
What?
I overheard something.
What did you hear?
Tell me that wasn't a joke.
What?
I overheard you saying that you're pregnant. Is that true?
I am pregnant.
I'm about to be a father soon.
Yes.
Hey. So is that why you couldn't knock? How dare you barge into my office like that?
Get your filthy self out of this office.
Oh, please! Don't you dare yell at me. Because I here have equal right to this man.
Johnson, what is she talking about? What is she talking about?
Oh, you're not gonna say anything. Oh, you're not gonna tell her that we were having sex all around this office yesterday till 9 p.m. Wait a minute. No, you go ahead and tell her.
You are so shameless. So with all the thing going on social media, you still have the nerves. You still have the nerves to soak yourself in the pants of this swine.
No, please don't you dare call me names.
Please. Johnson, are you sleeping with your wife's younger sister? Talk to me, my friend. Are you sleeping with your wife's younger sister?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Did I hear you say his wife's younger sister? Johnson. No. Is that what you told her? Excuse me, young lady. I am not in any way related to his wife. Nor am I his wife's younger sister or whatever. Please get yourself out of this office. Of course. It's festive season and you know the ladies want to look beautiful.
So when are you coming out to house of my beauty sister?
Well, I am indisposed at the moment, but my girls are there to give you the best treats.
Please, I want to be handled by madam herself.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm really occupied, but very soon I'll be out of it, alright? Alright then.
There's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay, what's that?
Our husbands will stop embarrassing us.
Look, I wouldn't want to talk about that, alright?
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Leave my office now.
I'm not gonna leave until she does.
Oh, please, you heard it. Leave.
And what are you going to do?
I am going to personally throw you out of this office right now.
Oh, if you try it!
Will you get out? Will you try that? Just get down to it now.
Babe. There's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What is it?
You know, there's this my old friend that I bumped into some time ago. So we got talking and what happened and you know, she got pregnant for me. So she's 3 months gone at the moment.
Really?
Yes.
As long as it makes you happy. I'm fine.
Really?
When are you bringing her home? I mean, when can I see her?
I just thought I should let you know first. Before anything.
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
So, you mean you've already told her?
Yes.
Okay. And what did she say?
Well, she has no option.
Okay, so by that you mean she has accepted the pregnancy?
Well, she brought the idea in the first place, so...
Oh, she must be so desperate. I understand. Barren woman.
Watch your tongue.
Oh, you've already started shunning me. Whatever, please. So, when am I seeing my co-wife?
This is the girl I told you about. The one that is pregnant for me. Her name is Nancy.
Hello, Nancy.
Hello.
So, you know, as we agreed, I decided to bring her over for you guys to, meet and introduce her formally to you.
Okay.
Nancy, my wife, the woman after my heart, the love of my life, the air I breathe, my world. Her name is Mabel.
The pleasure is mine. This is a mistake we have to fix, right? Nancy, I love this man very much. His happiness is my top priority. If this will make him happy, then it's okay.
Babe.
I hope you will not give me a problem with this house.
Me? Did you tell her that I'm a troublemaker?
No, she's just telling you.
I'm not. Come on. You know I am pregnant. And I need to spend quality time with him. You know, there's a way this pregnancy thing works. You may not really understand because, no offense. But, sometimes the baby whispers things, when you start kicking and say, I want to spend more time with daddy. I want to spend more time with papa, stuff like that. You really won't understand.
I understand.
Yeah.
We'll share the space together, okay?
Great. Great. Yeah.
Baby, thank you so much for understanding.
It's okay. Nancy, when are you moving in with us?
Babe, that's not part of the plan.
Come on, it's okay. She's pregnant and she needs all the comfort and care.
No, baby, that is not what we agreed. Nana says she has to come in and stay. That's not just...
It is fine.
Sorry. I can move in right now. I don't mind.
Now?
Of course, right now. What are we still waiting for? Come on. I guess it should be very big and the mattress everywhere. Show me the room. Come. I guess it should be the master's bedroom. Yes. Very big mattress for the three of us, right? Come, let's go. Come on, let's go.
I'm not comfortable with this. This is not the agreement. We only said she will come present herself and leave. That was it. It's okay.
Darling, my phone is hanging. Why now? Is your phone fake? How can you say that?
Your mine is the latest one. I see.
It's because I have too much of it.
Sweetheart, I wanted to ask you, that murder case, how is it going?
Darling, some people can be very crazy. How can someone murder a woman that practically picked her up from the gutter and gave her a life? It beats my imagination.
My dear, so many things are happening these days that you can't just imagine. I don't understand. Kill a fellow human being. How? When I cannot even cut chicken. Hi.
Darling, the victim brought in the woman and husband into her home, gave them a roof over their heads, feed them, clothed them, and even enrolled their 2 children in a school. Yet, they conspired and killed her.
For what? Because of material things. Eh? They made away with her money, her cars, her credit cards, and other documents.
Honestly, I really do not understand this life at all.
This and many more they do. Yet they blame government for everything. Every time government is not doing this, government is not doing that. Yet you give them a small opportunity, they abuse it.
Husband and wife killed the kind-hearted woman that helped them and buried her corpse in a sockaway. Can you imagine?
Unimaginable. I don't understand. So what this means is that you can't be good to people anymore? I mean, you can't be of help to people that need help?
Honestly, you need to hear these people in the courtroom pushing the whole blame on the devil.
That is the bane of Africa in particular. I don't understand. They do something with their clear eyes, the next thing they say is the devil, is the devil. The other day, a man went and slept with another man's wife. At the end of the day, when they were caught, say, it's the work of the devil, oh, it's the work of the devil, oh. I don't understand.
Anyway, in this case, whatever they like, let them say. All I know is that they must be brought to book.
Death by hanging. That is what they deserve.
You can say that again.
I'm not trying to influence you.
What are you saying?
This is just husband and wife discussion. But to be honest, they deserve to die.
But you just said the truth.
Hi.
Yeah.
But mommy picked up fast. I can't wait to share the good news. Hello, mommy.
Hello, Mabel.
Mommy, how are you?
I'm good.
Very fine, thank you. How is Daddy?
He's fine. As a matter of fact, he's seated right here with me.
That's very good. Mommy, I am so excited. The Lord has finally done it. I have good news.
Oh, I can sense that from your voice. What has the Lord done this time for you?
Mommy, we are expecting a baby.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jesus. That means you're pregnant.
No, Mommy, I am not pregnant. But Johnson impregnated a young lady.
What arrant nonsense.
Mommy, look. Let's at least be happy. A baby is coming into our lives. Hello, Mommy, I'm still here. Hello? Hello?
Darling, Johnson just got a girl pregnant.
What? Johnson did what? How?
Mabel, you can never cease to amaze me. How could you have accepted that? And she's even happy.
This is it. This is the height of your responsibility. No, I will not accept that girl. That girl can never be part of my family. It's not possible. How? Oh, Johnson, you've done this time.
I'm the happiest man right now.
I know. I mean, I know what it feels like to be married for how many years now without a child, nothing to show for.
4 years of emptiness. I can't imagine that. But I'm glad all of that will be history soon.
Exactly. But then, I wonder, I mean, she ought to have gotten pregnant
Hey,
by
you
now.
don't talk about my wife. I'll just tell you this.
Drop it there and get out.
Hello, come back. Come back here.
Babe, she's gone already. But that was harsh.
She walked in here and he's at you. Obviously not me because I'm a smack her down.
Oh, but I know, but I'm still letting you know here is an office. You have to respect that.
Whatever.
Oh, God.
What was that? Look at her playing all high and mighty. All over the moon. Something my boss's wife will never even do. I should have acted faster. I should have gone ahead one of them. Well, who knows? By now I should have been the one pregnant for my boss's baby. But wait. How am I even sure she's pregnant? Anyways, even if she is, how am I sure my boss is responsible? He's so hot. I mean, such a cutie. I love him.
This act of irresponsibility is unacceptable. What kind of thing is this? I married only one wife. My father married only one. How can that legacy change in the time of Johnson? How?
Darling, this is a slap on our faces.
A big slap. Now, that girl will not be accepted. No matter what she represents, no matter who she is, she can never be part of the family. She cannot be my daughter-in-law. Not possible.
I wonder why Johnson wants to paint us black. This is a family of repute, respected by all and sundry. Now he wants to drag our family name to the mud.
Can you imagine that? The son of a senator and a justice becoming irresponsible? How? That means we didn't bring him up well. That's what he's telling the whole world.
Wait. So he wants us to accept the girl he got pregnant from nowhere with open arms? Is that it? No, it doesn't work that way. Darling, you know what? You need to call him and invite him over right now.
You're right. Yeah, Johnson. You need to see me right now. Immediately. Don't keep me waiting.
Can you imagine? How can he get someone pregnant from nowhere and expect us to open our arms and welcome her?
I don't understand. I mean, he needs to explain this kind of irresponsibility to me. He needs to come here.
Is this what Mabel has been going through?
You can just imagine the kind of emotional torture that he's putting this poor girl through.
I feel for Mabel.
No. Oh, poor Mabel. Okay, let him come.
Oh, baby, are you sure everything is alright?
Well, I wouldn't know until I get to the family house.
Okay then, so let me come with you.
No, not now. I should go, get everything ready, then I'll come pick you. I think it's better off like that. So just get ready. I'll come pick you.
Okay.
Unlike Mabel said, you don't need to be doing the public transport thingy. You don't need to be jumping keke. Okay? I would want you to be in a reserved environment, where you will have rest of mind. Because I wouldn't want my son to pass through all of that stress of, so.
I know. Okay.
Then again, my wife is my life. When I mean my life, she is everything that I have ever prayed for. She is everything to me. She is my world. Okay? She accepted you to come live with us because she wants the best for you, because she wants you to have a safe delivery where you don't have to pass through all of that stress. No woman can actually do that, you know. No woman can take that. But here she is, making sure that you're fine. Okay? So then, did I tell you that my family, like my siblings, okay, they are crazy about her. They are crazy about her peace of mind. They love her with everything in them. Why I'm telling you this is, when you eventually make it to that house, I want you to respect her. I want you to accord her that respect as the queen of that kingdom. You get that?
Yeah.
I'm telling you all of this because if you fail to respect yourself, my mom, the chief magistrate, Deborah Badmus, will kick your ass out. For sure. Okay?
Okay, fine. It's all about respect. I mean, you're making it sound like I'm a troublemaker.
Oh, because I know how jealous you guys can be. Okay? So when you come in there, respect my wife with everything in you. You're just there to give birth.
I have heard you. Okay, fine. I will respect her. Fine.
Okay,
You're making it sound like I'm a troublemaker. Of course I'm not. I'll respect her, okay? Fine.
Okay, respect her while you get your money. And that'll be the end of it.
Thank you.
So let me get my things ready and prepare for your arrival. See you in a jiffy. I'll just put it in the bag in the car. Let's go. Want help?
Baby, is it please? You know I'm pregnant.
Gosh. I feel so used. He can't possibly choose her over me. No. I'll have to put up a fight. Even if that's going to be the last thing I'll do, I have to get him back. Gosh.
So, babe, you get a taxi from here.
I don't get it. Why are you stopping here? Are you not supposed to take me home?
Babe, we're not supposed to be seen together. Eyes are flying. You never can tell. Someone might be here recording. We don't need that.
What are you even saying? What are you talking about?
Baby, let's not make issue out of nothing. We just... You understand these things.
Understand what? Eh? I'm carrying your child. And you expect me to walk under this hot sun?
You're not walking under the sun. You just need to stay here and request for a taxi. Just request for a taxi. That's all. You're not staying. Look, babe, you know now. The news are already making waves on social media. I don't need more of that. That is not supposed to be like that. Okay, we're meant to at least keep ourselves now. Let's achieve what we are looking at.
The fact is that I don't understand you. Is it that you are ashamed to identify with me or what? Are you ashamed to?
How can I be ashamed?
Because I don't get it.
We are only being careful. You know who my father is. I don't want to ruin his political career. So far, it's already affecting him that his son is doing this, is doing that, and it's not good for him. It's not good for his second tenure. People are already saying that he didn't do well in his first tenure, and now this.
It's okay, please.
Okay, Thank God. You're making me talk too much. That's what I'm trying to explain, for you to know that this is what we need to do. Okay?
I don't hear.
It's okay.
Give me transport, I beg. Money no go me.
It's fine. Let me make transfer to you.
Transfer?
Yeah.
Then I'm supposed to go to the ATM machine or look for POS star. Please, I beg, don't worry.
I'll send you
myself
500,000.
Hmm?
Yeah. You don't need to go to the ATM. Just make transfers.
No wala. Send the 500,000. Thank you.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. What is love? When a woman loves, she loves for real.
Why do I feel this is all about the baby and not me? I know he loves his wife, but I'm the one pregnant for him. How could he have discharged me like that? Men and their ego. When he was busy enjoying the woman in me, it was sweeting him more. He forgot he has a pretty wife. He even forgot his father is a public figure. Now he's running away from bloggers. Nonsense. Anyways, be gallant. Enough.
When a woman loves, she loves for real. It's so painful when you give your love, but what you get in turn is hate. It's so sad when you give your all,
Sad for me.
but no one cares. Ooh, yeah. Tell me what you mean when you say you love someone.
Johnson Sheyi Badmus. Tell me, who is that girl that is pregnant for you? You think we wouldn't know? How dare you? What were you thinking?
Johnson, I am disappointed in you. Do you know who you are? Must you downgrade yourself to the level of sleeping with just any girl?
It's not what you think.
Okay, it's not what I think. Then let it out. Maybe we will understand.
Sheyi, you've gotten what you wanted, right? Congratulations. I personally pleaded with you. I begged you. I said, take things easy. Wait on God to fix things just as He fixed that of your elder sister. But no, my son engrossed himself in adultery, engaged in doing things, living the kind of life that the ears will find it very difficult to catch.
Hello, Dad.
Yes, son. How are you?
Yeah, we're good.
What of my daughter-in-law?
So, are you still flying from Lagos today?
Oh, yes. As a matter of fact, I'm at the business lounge waiting to board so that I can go to Abuja for the senatorial meeting with the president.
Oh, I see. Okay, that means I have to meet you up then.
Yeah, oh yes. Say in another 45 minutes, I should be there in Abuja.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, see you soon then.
Thank you. Look, Shay, I am a Christian. No matter the justification you give to your actions, I, Chief Badmus, will not subscribe to polygamy.
That's not a deal. I'm not getting married to Nancy. Nancy is just there to have a child for me, and that ends it. Just to have a child.
And you forgot that those girls are desperate. Just give them a pole. They want to pose with you.
No, Mom. We had an agreement. It's settled, sealed, recorded. Nancy is just there to be my baby mama. Nothing short of that.
Shay, I don't care what you do. I don't care what you agreed with someone or whoever, but let me warn you. I don't want anybody to do anything that will give my daughter-in-law stress. Is that understood?
She's my wife, remember?
You lie. Mabel is my wife.
Look at your wife here. She's my wife.
Shay, Kile worry. What is wrong with you?
I'm a familiar, Jerry.
Let me tell you. Till tomorrow, Mabel remains your father's wife.
Benny.
You guys are just over pampering Mabel.
And that is because we love her so much. She's our wife.
She's barren though.
She is not barren. Mabel is not barren. They said something to your sister, but today God has proven that He is God. She is now a mother of 5 children. So don't say that again. Don't say that Mabel is barren. She's not barren.
Shay, I hope you are not nursing the idea of marrying that girl. If you do, you will see the other side of me that you've never seen before. Idiot.
That is not the deal. The deal is just to be my baby mom. Have a child for me and that's all. So can I get a congrat now?
For what?
I hope you are not nursing the idea of marrying that girl. If you do, you will see the other side of me that you've never seen before. Idiot.
That is not the deal. The deal is just to be my baby mom. Have a child for me and that's all. So can I get a congrat now?
For what?
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love?
What was the meaning of that?
Without attention.
Huh?
Call what? I don't understand.
Now, why would you get my parents involved? Why? Why would you tell them about Nancy? What do you stand to gain? For them to applaud you or what?
No, babe, I was just so joyous. I had to tell them that the Lord has done it.
The Lord has done what? The Lord has done what? Why would you get them involved?
Babe, calm down. I had no ulterior motive. We're expecting a baby. I was happy.
Oh God. You know, I've been thinking, what have you really done to my parents?
I don't understand.
No, because I've been thinking why they cannot do anything without involving you. What have you done to them?
Babe, I have done nothing to them. You know, You know I'm a likable person. People just like me for nothing.
She's right. The very day I set my eyes on her, I felt hopelessly in love with her.
Babe, sincerely, I didn't mean to hurt you. Babe.
I really don't know why I cannot have a swell discussion with my parents without talking about you.
Oh God. Please.
I didn't mean any harm. Babe. Come on, eat. Your food is ready, oh?
You don't have to. I mean, I'm only pregnant, not sick.
I will not allow you to cook in this condition. Yeah, I'm here. I'll cook for you. Just come, let me serve you, oh?
You're so nice. I tell you, you're a nice woman. And I pray that God will bless you with your own child. And I trust Him. I know my God, He will.
Amen.
Please sit. I want us to talk.
Okay.
Have you gone for fertility test?
Oh, I have. Oh, I did that in my first year of marriage.
And what happened? What could be the problem for your infertility?
Infection.
Infection?
The doctor said I have infection.
You have infection? I mean, what kind of infection? Is it gonorrhea? Is it candidiasis? Is it syphilis? Is it staphylococcus? You have staphylococcus aureus? Oh, sorry, yeah? Does Johnson know about this?
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't know you have staphylococcus? I see. But why didn't you tell him? I mean, you can't hide such... Why didn't you tell him?
I'm afraid. I'm afraid it's going to ruin my marriage.
Oh, sorry. Are you taking, measures as regards to... It must have eaten very deep for you not to have gotten pregnant. But it's fine. There is nothing God cannot do. Nothing. Sorry.
Okay.
No wonder she is barren. She has staphylococcus. Why do I feel that she has lived a very dirty lifestyle in the past? If I have to let Johnson know about this, maybe he will quit from her and marry me instead. Yes, I have to do everything within my reach to destroy the existing love between them. I will have my chance with Johnson. I must have to.
Yeah, come in.
How are you?
What do you want?
What do I want? Babe, what's happening? What's happening to us? I mean, you're not even looking my way anymore. What's the problem?
Well, nothing is really happening. What is happening should happen, okay? The reason we had what we did in the first place is because I was in dire need of having a child. So right now that I have a child on the way coming, I don't think it's really necessary doing all of this.
Wait, babe. Don't you tell me that you are in any way thinking that Nancy's unwanted, stupid pregnancy is yours.
What do you mean by that?
Isn't it obvious? Huh? The pregnancy is not yours.
Okay, thanks for that. Can you kindly go back to your duty post? Go back to your office.
Are you serious?
What do you mean, what? Of course we had a deal. Okay? I transferred 500,000 naira to your account before we did what we did. So why are you acting as if we didn't have a deal?
So wait. So what happens to this 150,000 naira salary you promised me?
Well, I'm sorry, honey. That has been withdrawn. Your salary remains 70,000.
What?
Yes.
Hell no! Look, Johnson, let me tell you something. You think you can walk around, sleep with every other girl and get away with it? Johnson, you don't know me.
I'll take that as a baby threat. You know why? Because I did not rape you. We had an understanding, okay? We had an understanding. I paid you 500,000 and that was it. That was the deal.
You really don't know who you're talking to, right?
Of course, you don't know who you're talking to.
Johnson, it's clear you don't know me. You don't know who you're playing with. Because I will personally run you down the city. You don't just do something and get away with it. Come to think of it, all your sex tapes with all your harlots, I have been on top of it.
Oh, now I see. I understand it very clearly now. You have been the brain behind this.
Oh, yes.
Oh, now it's clear why they say a man's enemy is a member of his household.
Oh, yes. I did all of it. And you should be expecting more from me.
You did all of that because of jealousy. You could have told me you wanted a glimpse of me. Maybe I could make you have that on a platter. But right now, bitch, you lose.
Johnson, you haven't had the last of me yet. Anyways, you can as well keep your job or you give it to that stupid Nancy of yours because I just resigned. Rubbish.
Just look at the man you have turned out to become. Your life has completely taken a nosedive.
Shay, for your information, we have seen the Nancy that you got pregnant. We were at your house. What I don't understand is, were you blind? I mean, were you so infatuated or you were engulfed by the spirit of excessive promiscuity, or you couldn't control your libido that you couldn't see the desperation in that particular girl?
Father, desperation or whatever you choose to call it, it boils down that she's pregnant for me. And that's exactly the aim of all of this.
Johnson, let me tell you something, in case you have forgotten. You see, any girl who is capable of destroying a home is not worth being a wife. She has no home training at all. She's desperate.
Mom, nobody's talking about wife here. I'm not talking about wife. I'm just telling you what she's here for. It's not wife.
I don't understand this thing about having a child. Why are you this desperate about having a child? I don't understand.
Dad, when you had our first daughter, my other sister, It turned out to be, I don't know, maybe it wasn't what you're looking for. You went for the first, you went for the second, you went for the third. You kept on searching for male child before you got me.
But do you
So
know
if
how
you weren't desperate for having children, where did you kept on going?
Do you know how long it took us to get your elder sister? Do you?
Well, that's the same thing. But the fact is that you kept on working for it before God blessed you with children.
Wait, is this how you want to get your own?
Mom, he has blessed me already. She's pregnant. Let's just leave all of this, please. I don't know why you are capitalizing on my life. It's my life.
Anyway, let me warn you. You don't deprive a child, or rather you don't stop a child from developing big teeth, the incisor. So long as that child can develop big lips, Momo, to cover them.
Akilo Shele now. Familiar.
I tell you, my friend, do you know that some people will never smell pregnancy in their entire miserable life? You're asking me why? Because of the kind of lifestyle they lived in the past. They lived a very wayward lifestyle, and so they can never get pregnant. Some of them ended up contracting STD, very chronic ones, serious ones at that. Hello? Of this thing now? How of this thing?
Nancy, what was the meaning of that? Nancy, this is a very big house. You left where you were, came here to disturb what I was watching. Why now?
Are you blind? Did you not see me making calls? Are you not reasonable at all? By the way, let me even ask. Aside sitting down here or in the living room watching telly and pressing phone, what else do you do in this house? I mean, can't you be merciful for once to give your sweet husband a child?
You keep forgetting something, sweetheart. You keep forgetting that with or without a child, I remain Johnson's only legally married wife.
Okay, I know about that actually. And I also know that you are barren. You're barren.
Is that all you've got? Nancy, the fruitful girl, that is the only thing you can say to me, right?
I just pity you. But don't worry. Once I put to bed, once I deliver my child to bed, yes, the dance will change. The music will change as well. Don't worry, I'm gonna play that to you. Things will change automatically.
Oh my God, you're such a stupid girl. Yes, you're so stupid. You came into my house, pregnant for my husband, and I allow you stay under my roof, feed you and take care of you. You think you run things now? You think you would decide what happens in this house? No, darling, you won't. If you'd ever in your life do what you just did this afternoon, I will send you and this your silly pregnancy out of my house.
Go and treat yourself. Go and treat yourself and stop blabbing, talking rubbish. Staphylococcus. Smelling sick.
Wait. Did she just call me that? I don't blame her. I don't blame her one bit. I blame myself. I blame myself for opening up to her, thinking she was sensible, thinking she was a human being. She is so mean.
Bring the food now. Should I wait till infinity before the food gets ready? What is all this? I've been hungry. My baby and I, we're all hungry. Is it because you're barren, you've not taken in? Must she even be wicked at that? What is this? Mabel! Serve me food though. I am hungry. I know what I'm saying. Because I will report to Johnson. I won't fail to report to him. I will report to him that you've been serving us since morning. What is all this? Please serve my food. I've been here waiting for you to serve food. What are you? Are you cooking stone? What are you cooking in that kitchen? Serve us food though. I'm still waiting. Make it fast and bring it to me here. Rubbish. That you don't want to get done. Because I said it, what is all?
So,
baby, I am so happy.
Why?
Because you are going to be a father soon. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to hold our baby in my arms. Your baby.
I just love the way you see life. Not all women will take this. I mean, that is what makes you exceptional, and that is why I love you. Think.
Baby, what are you doing?
I'm frying amala. What do you mean, what am I doing here? I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
I came to lie down.
You came to lie down where?
Is this not supposed to be bed?
Meaning what? Wait first, I'm asking you, meaning what now? What happens to your room? Huh?
The baby has been kicking. The baby needs the father to, just rub my tummy, oh yeah.
Can you stop this now? What's the meaning of this now? Go to your room now. What are you doing here? Telling me baby is kicking.
Baby is kicking. Baby has been kicking. Baby needs the father and the mother alone. That's what he said. You know this pregnancy stuff. There's the way the baby communicates with the mother. Me being the mother, I understand every language. Do you understand? So when the baby starts kicking like it's kicking, it sends signal. And right now, the baby wants to spend quality time with the father and the mother. That's all.
Can you...
Just come.
Leave me alone. Can you stop being dramatic? What's...
Please. I will just go to the guest room.
Go to which guest? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come. Look. Looks like you've forgotten. It's like you've forgotten our agreement. Huh?
It is not my decision. Left for me alone, what will I be doing in this room? I said the baby. He said he wants to be with the father.
Can
he
you
needs his
stop
father's love.
sounding not? Baby said when? When did you people discuss that?
Umbilical call.
My friend, go to your room.
What's that? She doesn't leave me, I'll leave.
Leave to where? Where are you going?
Me, I'm leaving. You will not ask me where am I going. I will go. Ask me. I will leave.
Come. I don't like. What the hell is wrong with you?
Fire tonight.
My friend, come on, leave me alone. What? See, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. You think I'm laughing? Why can't you follow the agreement?
This is agreement now. This is not agreement that puts me in this good. Come here.
Come, I will nod you. I'm not playing with you.
Babe, I want to start by apologizing for everything I put you through, for all the emotional
It's okay.
breakdown you had.
It's fine, babe. You don't have to beat yourself over this. Remember, I asked you to do this and you did.
Yeah. And even at that, it's not actually easy trying to balance it. And I didn't expect it was going to be like this. I was seeing it to be in the due version form. Come to do what you're paid to do, and then you go without causing havoc.
It's alright. In no time she would deliver and then leave.
Can't just wait for her to leave.
Well, not so fast. You know, after she puts to bed, she has to stay a while, nurture the baby. You know?
Really? I was thinking we can always buy milk or...
Baby.
You know.
No. The mother is still alive. She has to breastfeed her baby. Okay? Besides,
Wow.
I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I am pregnant. I know.
You already said I should let that go. So you don't have to pull up a joke to make me feel good.
Look at me. I'm serious. I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes. Long before she even came, I just realized it.
Oh, baby. Oh my God.
We're going to have our baby.
Finally.
I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I've got confidence in you, Jesus. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Jesus. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Jesus. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. Omemma Chineke omemma, ikene Chukwu ni o mere kene ya, o mekwara gị ọzọ. Omemma Chineke na omemma, ikene Chukwu ni o mere kene ya, o mekwara gị ọzọ. Omemma Chineke na omemma, ikene Chukwu ni o mere kene ya, o mekwara ya ọzọ. Omemma Chineke na omemma.
Smelling maggots. I mean, who are you even deceiving with this fake pregnancy? We all know it is fake. We know.
Nancy, you and I are not co-wives. You are only here for business. Have my husband's baby and then leave my house.
I don't know why you derive so much joy in deceiving yourself. And I still wonder which doctor blew air inside your tummy. It will burst, oh. It will soon burst. I know what I'm saying. I know.
You are so pathetic. Low life.
Fool's dream. Have you forgotten you have staphylococcus? You have staphylococcus. I still wonder how you think we can buy into this fake air-blown baby bomb that you have. You have staphylococcus. You cannot take in. No man will even want to, stuff like that. Come on.
Deputy Jesus. Assistant God. You can't get pregnant. It's not even possible. I don't even know why I'm seated here, wasting my energy, having this conversation with you. I better go get my rest. And then, lest I forget, darling.
What are you forgetting?
Your days in this house are numbered. You would have this baby for my husband, and you would leave.
I have come to stay until death do us part. Until death do us part. Oh, Staphylococcus. I have come to stay with Johnson. In case you've forgotten. Staphylococcus. That's what you have. Rubbish. Are you sure? Are you sure that pregnancy is not for real? No, it can't be. She can't take it now. She's barren. Yes, even Johnson confirmed it that she can't take it. She is barren. It can't be real. That thing is full of air. Yes, it's air.
Baby, has she delivered? Oh, thank God! God be praised. A baby girl. Okay, baby. It's fine. Alright, bye. Hey, God, thank you. What a miracle. We have a baby girl.
What do I do? I mean, I would have been long gone if not they insisted I stay here and win my child. But I can't stand her anymore. I can't stand her. Now that after all I did to her, I called her names. I called her barren. Now the barren woman gave birth to a set of twin boys. Bouncing baby boys, all to my shame. Oh no. I mean, she was actually nice to me. She was nice. And I turned against her immediately. She told me her problems. I used it against her. I mean, why am I even like this? Why?
I am tired of staying here. There is nothing left for me here. Hence, I should take my leave.
Hey, Nancy. You good? How's my daughter? Oh, babe.
My baby, my
Oh,
love,
baby.
my sugar. How are you? You're welcome.
Thank you, baby. How are my boys?
They're fine, sleeping upstairs.
Well, you have to let them awake. Tell them Daddy's back.
Babe, I know what it took me to put those boys to sleep. That's the only reason I'm able to make dinner. Be cool.
Okay, it's fine.
Alright, darling. Go upstairs, freshen up, and come downstairs and have dinner. Alright?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, babe. I've come to see you, so I demand you lend me your ears.
Okay. I'm all ears.
Good. I have completed my own part of the bargain, which is giving you a child. Hence, I should take my leave.
Yeah, you should take your leave. I was actually expecting you to say this for some time, but I guess you just wanted to stay around. So yeah, it was nice having you. It was nice having you around and doing this deal with you. I'm grateful, you know.
You still need to balance me up.
Balance you up how?
Pay me off. You need to complete my payment.
Is your brain on transit? Or it's cracked? Because I don't understand your problem right now. How am I supposed to balance you? Huh? No, how am I supposed to balance you? Have you forgotten the agreement? We had an agreement. You are the one that is supposed to balance me. Even if you want to talk about balance, if it's balancing, you're the one that's supposed to balance me. Don't come here to just burn your face. If you need money, you should present it well, not to try to play me because we had an agreement. When you talk about balance, it's Balenciaga. Please just go. If you're done talking, like I said,
Please, I'm not done talking. If I'm leaving this house, I'm going with my baby. I'm going with my child. I can't leave her in this house with you people, please.
You're going with your baby. You're going with which baby? See, don't let me slap you. Don't let me slap you. What kind of stupid talk is that? You're going with which baby? Why you? Just leave here. Just go.
I can't leave my
I said
my
just
baby
leave
with
here now. Leave my room. Leave my room. It's obvious you've gone mad. What kind of stupid talking? Just try that nonsense first. Like you're very.
Nancy, dinner is served. Okay, let's shake race. Lord, we thank you for this food. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Babe, you're already eating.
Babe, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything today.
I'm so sorry. Come on, let me feed you. Like it?
Has she eaten?
No, but I did call her and she ignored me.
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. Ever since she knew I was pregnant, she changed.
Well, that's not our business, right? I'm really regretting my actions. I really don't know why I did what I did, you know.
Come on, baby. It's okay. We have a baby. Baby girl.
She's saying she wants to live with the baby.
What? No way. That's not gonna happen.
Of course, that's not gonna happen.
Of course. Okay.
Who wouldn't like it?
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. What is love? When a woman loves, she loves for real. It's so painful when you give your love, but what you get in turn is hate. It's so sad when you give your all, but no one cares. Ooh, yeah. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Somebody.